EPA WA meteorologist Bobby Martin here with your outlook for the weekend, September 12th and 13th, 2020. For your Saturday, we're going to have high pressure in the Gulf of Maine, moving across northern New England, and will end up in the Gulf of Maine by late morning. And you can see that right here. Because of this presence of this high pressure here, it's going to create an easterly wind flow off the ocean. So we are going to be under the influence of high pressure today in the interior. And because of that onshore flow, our areas further south and east today, kind of like these areas right in here, we're going to be dealing with some onshore flow clouds. Stratocumulus that will come into play this afternoon. So I do think you're going to have more clouds than sun at some point this afternoon, while the interior is going to remain generally partly cloudy. But we will have some clouds just about everywhere early on. That's going to thin out here in the interior as with time. But then in the afternoon, anything that thins out will start to come back with that onshore flow in place with that high pressure here. And you can see that here on the NAM high-res future simulated satellite. And it's generally in these areas right down here, further south and east. For these areas here, we'll have the more clouds than sun to deal with at some point during the afternoon. Might wait till about mid-afternoon or so, but you'll have that stratocumulus come in and give you a mostly cloudy sky down here. But you see in these areas up here, further northwest, there's a lot less in the way of that, so just partly cloudy skies up here. So in these areas of our forecast regions, we have sunny to partly cloudy. Here we have partly to mostly cloudy down further south and east for that reason. Okay, so no precipitation though today. We're looking at a dry stretch here with that high pressure control, and then once we get into Sunday, we're going to have a cold front that's going to be approaching the region. It's going to look kind of ominous at first and look like we're going to get hit with a decent amount of rain or storms. But this is a weakening cold front boundary. Okay, so as it's moving eastward, it's losing a lot of its punch and a lot of this precipitation with it. Global models are really not thrilled with this, but the NAM high-res future simulated radar starting off at 2 p.m. on Sunday. Again, looks like scattered showers and thunderstorms coming at us here. And then it does move eastward and kind of falls apart here. Starts to maintain a little bit here, at least in central Pennsylvania. But then as a near evening here, it just kind of falls apart and dissipates. But now, with the actual cold front moving through overnight, there could be an isolated shower with that until it moves through here. So we do have in our local forecast, we'll have generally scattered showers for the afternoon here, for maybe late afternoon on Sunday and early evening for central PA counties, but isolated as we head further east. And areas New Jersey and Delaware might not see anything at all from this until we get into the overnight period. And by the way, this second batch with this stuff moving across southeast PA here, this is at 4 a.m., so this is overnight. And once this moves through, we are going to become partly to mostly sunny here on Monday. And high pressure is going to be moving in for early next week here. This is looking at Tuesday. High pressure sitting right over top of the region, so we're expecting bright sunshine by the time we get to Tuesday and Wednesday. Tuesday's probably going to be the coolest day as far as high temperatures are concerned, about 70, 72-ish, so very nice, refreshing. Once we get in the overnight hours, this would be Tuesday night and Wednesday morning, early Wednesday morning, temperatures are going to dip down in the 40s for many areas in the interior. So we'll be the chilliest we've seen in a long time. This is going back to early spring when we see temperatures that low. This will be definitely the first time we see 40s in a long time for those particular areas. And once we get past this point here on Tuesday, again, we're going to be mostly sunny Tuesday. Same thing here on Wednesday, bright sunshine on Wednesday as well. But high pressure moving offshore, we're going to start getting a return flow in from the southwest. That's going to get temperatures up here on Wednesday and Thursday. Gradually, though, we're going to have generally mid-70s here on Wednesday, and then we get to Thursday, we're expecting upper 70s. And then the next cold front will be approaching the region here for Friday. Uncertain the timing of this, exactly when it gets here. It could be a dry day here on Saturday, and this comes through on Friday night with some scattered showers and perhaps a thunderstorm. So it's a little uncertain yet. We're going to cross that bridge when we get there. Right now, it looks like we're going to carry lower chances for scattered PM thunderstorms on Friday. But this is after a very dry week. And as I just showed you with stuff on Sunday, really not too much going on there as well. You might get an isolated shower in a few spots as that cold front works its way through. It doesn't look like a lot of precipitation here in the next week until we get to at least the end of the next week. So nice dry stretch here coming up, but temperate conditions generally throughout the period. I'm EPA WA meteorologist Bobby Marchus. That is the outlook for the weekend, September 12th and 13th, 2020. Have a great Saturday and Sunday.